Hello and welcome. If you dig through your kitchen, you'll likely find a small, unassuming box of baking soda. Most of us use it for baking or cleaning, but did you know it can transform your garden? Today on Nature's Fix, we're unlocking the secrets of baking soda for gardeners. I'll share 7 tips, like growing sweeter tomatoes, deterring pests, and even testing your soil. Stick around for the 7th tip. It might just change how you see your garden soil forever. Let's get started. There's nothing like a flower bed bursting with color. Some flowers, like begonias, hydrangeas, and geraniums, love slightly alkaline soil. Baking soda is a gentle way to nudge the pH just right for these blooms. Dissolve a teaspoon in a watering can and water around the base of your alkaline-loving plants. You're not changing the whole garden, just creating a happy spot for these flowers. Over a few weeks, you'll notice richer colors and longer-lasting blooms. Repeat every few weeks during the growing season, but remember, moderation is key. For cut flowers, add a pinch of baking soda to the vase water to keep them fresh longer. It's a simple trick that extends the beauty indoors. Next time you admire your flowers, remember the power in that little box of baking soda. It's about working with nature for stunning, sustainable results. Let's move on to the next tip. Nothing says summer like a homegrown tomato. The secret to sweeter tomatoes? It's in the soil's pH. Tomatoes thrive and taste sweeter in less acidic soil. Sprinkle a small amount of baking soda around the base of your tomato plants. As you water, it gently raises the pH, encouraging sweeter fruit. Use a light dusting. Too much can harm your plants. Apply once or twice during the season, especially as fruits begin to form. This small step can make a big difference in flavor. It's about working with your plants, not forcing them. Taste the difference in your next harvest. Simple, natural, and delicious. Ready for another garden fix? Sometimes plants just look tired, pale leaves, slow growth. Instead of reaching for synthetic fertilizers, try a homemade tonic. Mix 1 gallon of water with 1 teaspoon baking soda, half a teaspoon clear ammonia, and 1 teaspoon Epsom salts. Each ingredient helps. Epsom salts for magnesium, ammonia for nitrogen, and baking soda to aid absorption. Water your struggling plants with this solution once a month. You'll see greener leaves and new growth in a couple of weeks. It's especially helpful for container plants and heavy feeders like roses. Remember, this is a monthly boost, not a daily drink. A simple, gentle way to revive your garden. Sometimes the best remedies are homemade. Let's tackle pests next. Garden pests like aphids and spider mites can wreak havoc. Instead of harsh chemicals, try a gentle homemade spray. Mix 1 teaspoon baking soda with 1/3 cup light oil to make a concentrate. Add 2 teaspoons of this mix to 1 cup of water in a spray bottle. Shake well and spray affected plants, covering tops and undersides of leaves. The baking soda dehydrates soft-bodied pests without harming beneficial insects. Reapply every 7 to 10 days, especially after rain. Spray in the early morning or late evening to avoid leaf burn. This method keeps pest numbers in check and protects your garden's balance. It's cheap, effective, and eco-friendly. Take control naturally. Now let's sweeten up your compost. Compost is garden gold, but sometimes it gets a bit smelly. Bad odors usually mean your pile is too acidic. Sprinkle a light dusting of baking soda over new layers of acidic kitchen scraps. Mix it in and turn the pile to distribute and aerate. The smell will fade, replaced by that earthy compost aroma. Don't overdo it. Too much baking soda can harm compost microbes. Use only as needed, not every time. It's a quick fix for balance and healthy decomposition. Baking soda keeps your compost and your garden happy. Let's tackle those stubborn weeds next. Weeds love to pop up in cracks and hard-to-reach spots. For these areas, baking soda is a safe, targeted solution. Moisten the weeds, then coat them thickly with baking soda. Sweep extra powder into cracks with a brush. On a sunny day, Weeds will shrivel and die in a few days. This method is perfect for patios, driveways, and paths. Avoid using it near grass or garden beds. It kills any plant it touches. It's a powerful, non-toxic way to keep your hardscaping tidy. Use the right tool for the job, and baking soda is a great ally here. Simple, effective, and safe for the environment. Now, let's test your soil. Knowing your soil's pH is key to gardening success. Here's a quick test. Collect half a cup of soil and mix with half a cup of distilled water. Stir to make a slurry. Sprinkle a spoonful of baking soda on top. If it fizzes, your soil is acidic. No reaction? Your soil is neutral or alkaline. This test won't give you an exact number, but it's a fast, useful guide. It helps you choose the right plants and amendments. Science and nature, working together in your garden. Simple, instant, and eye-opening. Let's wrap up with some final thoughts. There you have it. 7 ways baking soda can transform your garden. From blooms to tomatoes, pests to weeds, and even soil testing, it's a true garden ally. The simplest solutions are often the most powerful. If you found these tips helpful, please like, subscribe, and share with fellow gardeners. Your support helps us keep sharing nature's wisdom. Thank you for joining me on Nature's Fix. Happy gardening!